The weather is not good.
No.
It affects us, so we struggle up to my moment.
You did. The time, obviously, no time that you ran last year to take that world record from Paula Radcliffe by 81 seconds, which was an incredible run last year. They feel like very different times, don't they? Running that and running London last year, where you became the youngest woman to win the London Marathon. This year has been tough for all of you athletes, not knowing when to prepare for or what to prepare for, races getting cancelled. So times aside, how much of a joy is it just to be able to get out and race, Brigid? Was it wonderful just to race today?
It's just wonderful because we have not prepared well, and then due to pandemic which affect most of the country, and then again due to weather of today, it makes us to some of the legs to be freeze all the way up to we finish. So I struggle up to my moment until I finish.
We're just happy to see you out running, though, Brigid, to see you guys, you elite out there, putting a smile on lots of people's faces. We've got 45,000 runners around the UK. Normally, of course, you know, the runners who keep coming for hours after you've long gone, had your meal, they're still out there pounding this great source of inspiration to all those people as well. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you next year.
Yeah, I hope the race organizer will invite me next year. I will be well prepared to bring back again good results.
And the Olympics, of course, as well.
And the Olympics.
Yeah, we'll see you many times. I'm sure we're going to see you for many years to come, Brigid.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for coming. I know it's cold and somebody's got a nice hot drink for you, but thank you.
Thank you.
Top 8.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's correct. Of course, Dina Castor, the current US record. So 1 lap to go for Kosgei. Dina Castor 2:19:36 in London in 2006. I was in that race, came 6th. I remember, I think it was raining on that day, but nothing like we've had today.
Right, 2:11:41.
So bringing her home in something around 2:18, possibly a bit under. So looks like that women's only record is not going to happen, but it's still a very fast time. Last year here in London, she ran 2:18:20 in April 2019 here in London. The year before that, she was second in 2:20:13. So Kosgei, that is definitely a smile on Kosgei's face.
It is now.
Rob.
And do you know what? It's a mark of how good an athlete she is. I mean, we shouldn't be disappointed. 2:18 is still an absolutely phenomenal time. What she ran in Chicago was just out of this world.